Welcome to the video on the evolution of grinding, focusing on the differences between BLDC and traditional motors in kitchen appliances. Traditional motors rely on physical brushes, while BLDC motors, or Brushless Direct Current motors, use advanced electronic controls for commutation. In traditional motors, physical friction from the brushes causes excess heat and carbon dust, significantly shortening the motor's life. BLDC mixers are highly efficient, consuming about half the power to deliver the same performance output as a traditional 1000W mixer, using only 550W. The absence of physical friction in BLDC motors results in a much quieter operation, creating a more pleasant kitchen environment compared to the high noise of brush friction. A key advantage of BLDC motors is their ability to maintain high torque across all speed ranges, unlike normal mixers, where torque drops significantly at higher speeds. Cooler BLDC motors allow for more compact designs and the integration of smart features, such as ventless bases for easier cleaning and digital speed indication. While BLDC technology requires a higher initial investment, it offers substantial long-term savings through increased energy efficiency, longer motor life, and zero brush replacement costs. The key differences include BLDC's low noise, high efficiency, and long motor life, contrasted with normal mixers' high energy consumption, high noise, and shorter motor life due to brush wear. Ultimately, the choice depends on your requirements. Choose BLDC for energy savings, quiet operation, and durability, or a normal motor for limited budgets and heavy-duty commercial applications.